Hey, I'm Izzy from Izzy's Brooklyn Smokehouse, and today I'm going to show you how to smoke a prime rib. A prime rib is something you'd probably do on a yontif, on a really special occasion. What you're looking for in a piece of meat like this, you want a nice red color with gorgeous marbling. So here we got a gorgeous marbled piece of prime rib. You can see right there that that's just going to taste delicious. For our seasoning, we're going to keep it very simple. We're going to go with sort of a Texas-style rub, which is oil. You don't have to use oil, but I feel like it sticks better. Get it nice and rubbed. We take our knife, make some nice holes in here. Don't worry, you're not going to ruin the meat. It's okay. Take our whole garlic, shove it inside. It'll give it a nice flavor, the garlic. Let's turn it over, make some more holes over here. Okay, same thing with the other side. I know some people love to, have their own secret rubs, but really the beautiful thing when it comes to grilling is that people have certain preferences, what they like. It's really up to you what you want to add in. For me with beef, I keep it simple, salt and pepper and garlic, but you could go as nuts as coffee, oregano, all kinds of funky ingredients that you like using. We'll make one more slit over here. All right, now we got our garlic in. Guys, we want to go heavy on the salt, so if you think you're going too heavy, it's fine. I'll probably even finish it with salt after I take it off the grill. We got our coarse black pepper. You can use fine, I prefer coarse, give it a nice bark, okay? Now that we liberally rubbed our prime rib, we're gonna put it on the grill, ready to grill. The reason why I'm putting it like this, I'm using the bone as a protection to the meat because we really wanna cook this to a medium rare, 135 to 140. Anything more than that, I wouldn't recommend it. Now we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna take our chips. For this, I'm using oak and cherry. All right, guys, now that we have our meat on the grill, I'll cover it up and be back in an hour to check on it. All right, it's been a while since our prime rib is on. I'm gonna check on it. It's probably not done, but I just wanna give it a nice spray for moisture. Here we have apple juice, but you could use beer, water, vinegar, schmaltz, whatever you want. I just like apple juice, easy, convenient to use, and I like how it tastes. Our prime rib is looking gorgeous. It's coming along nicely. You can see how the meat is starting to recede from the bone. I mean, it's almost getting there. We'll give it a nice little spray. Probably a little while away, but we're almost there, but it smells delicious. All right, guys, so it's been a few hours since our prime rib has been on. It's probably done by now. We're looking for an internal temp of 135 to 130 for a nice medium rare. We're gonna check on it right now. Look at that, look at that. Oh my gosh. Look at that, wow. Done. We spoke about before direct grilling and indirect grilling, smoking versus grilling. So here's again how we're gonna mix in both. So till now we had our prime rib smoking indirectly for a few hours. However, I would love to get a nice sear on this piece of prime rib as well. So what we're gonna do is now we're gonna take our smoked prime rib and put it over the direct side of the grill to really get this nice char. You can hear that nice sizzle as soon as we put it on the grill. I would say a minute and a half to 2 minutes aside. Look at that, the char is gonna make that gorgeous. Okay guys, so now that our prime rib has been rested for approximately 30 minutes, it's ready to carve into. The reason why I let the meat rest is because had I cut into it right when the meat came off the grill, all those juices that we worked so hard to get would have came plopping out, and when we rest the meat, it gives a chance for the moisture to redistribute within the meat. The first thing I'm gonna do is, you don't have to do this, I'm doing this because I'm serving a bunch of people, so I'm gonna separate the bone from the meat. Okay, now that we got our meat separated, if you have a dog, this is great, you'll give it to the dog, or if your husband wasn't behaving, you give this to him too. All right, well, let's get into this meat. All right, here we got our gorgeous medium rare prime rib. Guys, don't be shy with the salt, all right? Oh, baby, that's beautiful. I'm Izzy from Izzy's Brooklyn Smokehouse, and that's how you smoke a prime rib. Thanks for watching, and for more videos, subscribe to this channel.